Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I'm working on. These are my window covers for my camper for when it's super hot. It is Reflectix on the other side. So what I've been doing for 2 years is just putting that Reflectix up in the windows, on all four windows. It keeps the heat out, keeps the warmth in the winter, and also because I'm not a morning person, it keeps the light out. So I put them up every night. So for 2 years, I've just been using this. And if you were outside my camper, that's what you would see. Now, I didn't see it on the inside because I had the pretty curtains on my side. So I went and bought these sheets. This is a sheet set, a twin sheet set, and we have a store called Ollie's, and these were $9.99 for it's a set. So I'll show you what I did wrong. You see the black Velcro? I have trunk liner carpet on the walls in my camper, so that Velcro sticks to it, and that's how I keep the Reflectix up. So I did two wrong because I put it on the wrong side and the Velcro is on the other side. So now I just have to cut a little hole out and put the Velcro on this fabric side. My brain wasn't working that because it was backwards to me. But then I figured out what I did wrong, so the last two I got right. And they're not perfect. I just cut roughly around the Velcro, and I'm going to put some Gorilla Glue around that to hold it. But this is an inexpensive way to make your windows look better from the outside. And I think this green is going to match my windows perfectly. So I got two right and two wrong, but I'm going to fix it. Oh, what I did was turned it under and sewed it with my sewing machine, because someone told me that they had done this and tried putting masking tape around it, around the edges, but the masking tape didn't stick to the fabric, which I know the Velcro won't stick really good to the fabric either in the high heat. So that's why I'm going to cut the little hole open on the ones I did wrong, because the Velcro is actually underneath there. But yeah, I just went around with my sewing machine, no special needle or anything, and it doesn't like the Velcro, so it wouldn't go through that, but it went around it, and it went through the Reflectix and the fabric really good. So there's an inexpensive way to dress up the camper from the outside. And on the inside, again, I won't see the silver because my curtains on the inside will cover it. Hope this helps you and gives you an idea. Bye.